Once there was a very famous Nawab, a very rich person in India, and he buys an expensive car. And one day he tells his driver that keep the car ready within a few minutes, as I want to take my Begum Sahiba, I want to take my wife for shopping. So this Nawab Sahib, he tells his driver that prepare the car within a few minutes, as I want to take my wife out for shopping. So this driver, he tells this Nawab Sahib, this very rich person, that in order for the car to be ready, the car is not in working condition. So the Nawab Sahib is really angry. Why is the car not ready? Why is it not in working condition? Keep it ready within a few minutes. So the driver tells this Nawab Sahib, this very rich person, that in order for the car to be in working condition, I require 10 kgs of ghee, 15 liters of milk, 5 kgs of sugar. So the Nawab Sahib gives this driver what he's asking for. 15 liters of milk, and he gives him ghee, and he gives him 5 kgs of sugar. The Nawab Sahib gives this all to his wife, and the car is in working condition. I am asking you the question that today, if your driver tells you that in order to get the car into working condition, I require 15 liters of milk, 5 kgs of sugar, as well as ghee, will you give it to him? But natural, no. Because you know that a car does not require sugar, a car does not require milk, a car does not require ghee. You know that a car runs on petrol, it runs on fuel. So you know this basic information. Unfortunately, we Muslims, we do not know the basic message of our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's the reason many a times, many people, they take Muslims for a ride. We should at least know the basic message of our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If we want to know the basic message of our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should see to it that we read the glorious Quran with understanding. I would like to give you another example. There is a Kenyan who goes to France in order to acquire a degree. Now when he goes to France, and he studies in order to acquire a degree, the medium of instruction, it is French. And this Kenyan does not know French at all. Every day he attends class and he gets P. He is present. That means he's present. And he has attended class. He has for the examination. And keep in mind that he does not know French. He knows English, but he does not know French. He does not understand French. After the results come out of the examination, he gets P. What does P mean? P means pass. P means he's just present for the examination. Do you think he'll pass in the examination? But natural, no. He does not know French. He may know to read certain sentences because the script of French and English it is similar, but he does not understand anything when he's appearing for the examination. How will he pass in the examination? How will we understand the message of our Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala if we do not read the glorious Quran with understanding? Therefore, reading the glorious Quran with understanding, it is very important. So that we understand the basic message of our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So there are various excuses given by Muslims for not reading the glorious Quran with understanding. And there are certain Muslims who go to another extreme. And they say that reading or reciting the glorious Quran in Arabic, it is of no use. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah An-Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 171, La taghlu fi dinikum. Do not commit excesses in your religion. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah Al-Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse number 45. أتل ما أوحي إليك من الكتاب وأقم الصلاة إن الصلاة تنهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر. Recite from the book what is revealed to thee and establish regular prayer, for prayer restrains from shameful and unjust deeds. Salah, prayer, it restrains us from shameful and unjust deeds.